Welcome to the episode 4 of Digitour. Though the name of this workshop was before Know Your Computer, but due to some issues we have changed the name. And the new name is Digitour. So welcome to the episode number 4 of Digitour. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. In this episode we will be discussing about a very useful application which is called Google Drive. So we will see how you can manage your files online with the help of Google Drive. So this webinar will be 20 to 30 minutes. So my request is please watch till the end, because if you watch this video till the end, so you can easily understand, you can easily manage your files online by using Google Drive. This video is designed especially for new users, so if you know any of your friends are a new user, so don't forget to share with them the YouTube link. Okay, so without any delay, further any other comments, let's start the main episode. So friends, Google Drive comes by default with your smartphone. It's a product of Google, and by default you will get 15 GB free storage where you can manage your files with Google Drives, Google Photos and Google other storage devices like storage platforms like Google Cloud or whatever you can say. You can use up to 15 GB for free. So today I am going to show you that Drive application, like Google Drive Android application, how to use this application. I have already logged in with our official Gmail account in our Drive. So let's start. After opening the application, you have to log in with your Gmail ID and password. Then you will get 4 tabs in the bottom of the screen. Let me explore. First,
Home tab 1 of 4 and list
Home tab,
4 items.
where you will find all of your files. Then
Start tab 2 of 4.
Start tab. It is not necessary to say everything because you can understand. Start means the files which are important. You can mark those files as star and you can easily find those files from here.
Shared tab 3 of 4.
Shared means the files which you have been shared by any another person. Okay, so in shared you will find those files. And next,
Selected files tab 4 of 4.
files. Here you can also find all the files of your signed in Google Drive account. Now if I click on home,
Start home suggestions selected.
now here
Free webinar selected. Suggest create button out of list.
create button. I will discuss what is the create button later.
Signed in as access. More nav. Search
Okay.
and drive. More search and drive.
This
Edit
is the
box.
search option. You can easily search your files with Drive. Friends, I am not telling everything in details because I want to give you a overview of this application and tell you how you can manage your files easily, but not tell the details information. You have to explore, because when you will explore you will get a better solution.
More navigation options button.
There are more navigation options. I will see later.
Signed in as create, but signed in as accessible computing.
This is the option where you can switch your accounts.
Create button.
Create button I will discuss later.
Selected suggestions tab. 1 of
Suggestions.
notifications tab 2 of 2.
There is the notifications. If you have any notifications, you can check it out. I'm just checking
Notifications.
one. No,
Notifications about activity on your files.
Okay. Now I'm going to the start tab.
Start tab. Start selected. No starred files. Add stars to things you want to easily find later. Out of list.
No starred files. I have not
Home.
started
Tab.
any files. Okay.
Select. Shared. Tab.
After
3
that,
of 4.
if I click on shared,
Shared. Selected. Magic Sound Forge Pro Suite 40. View as list. Button.
Let me-
Sort by date.
okay.
Shared. Create. Signed in as more. Create. Sort by date. Shared. Row 1. In
sort
grid. 2
by
rows,
date
2
shared.
columns.
Here you can easily sort with any other filter options. Okay.
View as list. Button.
View as list. The default view is grid view, which is table view. Your view will be the rows and columns. If you wish to use list view, you can easily do that. I'm not doing this right now.
Magic Sound Forge Pro Suite 14.0.0.31 with
This is a
64.ci.
software which I
More
have
actions for
collected,
Magic Sound Forge Pro Suite 14.0.
which I have collected or which I have been shared by any another third-party account. That's why this item is in my shared tab. Remember, the item which in my shared tab are not included or not used our drive storage, because that file is already used the storage from the owner account okay. So now next,
Home. Tab. 1 of 4. In
Home.
list. Start. Select. Files. Tab. 4
files
of
tab.
4.
Let me
My
the
drive.
files tab.
Selected.
Yes, it's a files tab. Okay, so there are 2 to 3 types of options in the top
Sort by
left.
name. Row 1. Encrypt. Computers. Tab. Selected. My drive. Tab. 1 of 2.
There are 2 options like my drive and
Computers. Tab.
computers.
2
Okay,
of 2.
so first we will see what inside the computers.
Computers. Use drive for desktop. Learn more. Use no folders. Use drive for desktop to sync folders from your computer with drive and access them from any device.
Okay, so if you have any folders in your drive which you have created from computer or which you have in computer, if you have the drive application, the drive desktop app, you can easily use that folder by synchronizing this.
No.
I'm not
Selected.
going to in deep
Compu-
details.
My drive. My drive.
I'm clicking on my
Selected.
drive.
Page 1 of 2. Document.
So now here you will find all of your folders and files. I have created lots of folders. Listen.
AC Academy folder. View as lit. AC Academy folder.
AC
Row 2,
Academy
column
folder.
1.
Here I have uploaded our important recordings. I'm not showing you right now.
More actions for AC Academy. Button.
More actions, I will show you what are the options there.
Documents accessible computing folder.
Documents,
Column 2.
here are some documents which I have uploaded. I will show you.
More action. Software keygen folder. Row
Software
3.
keygen
column
folder
1.
where I have uploaded some keygen files or keygen serial keys. Okay.
More actions. Contact us are accessible computing.
This
Google
is
Forms.
the Google
Shared.
form. Okay,
More
I'm not
actions.
going to in
Software.
details because
More software.
the storage of
Contact us.
Google form is also included the drive. The storage of the Google form is also included the drive storage or Google Drive storage. Okay, so now if I want to access any file, what should I do?
More actions for AC Academy.
So let me go
More
to
action.
the
Software keygen
software
folder.
keygen.
Back button out of serial key goldwave.txt text
Serial
file
key
shared
dot
column 1.
goldwave.txt shared means this item has been shared by me. Someone I have shared this item to someone. Okay, so now this is a text file. You can easily open it with your phone, any text viewer. Okay, I'm not showing you by opening because it's very easy.
More actions for serial key goldwave.txt
Okay,
button.
so more actions. Let's see what insides it.
Serial key gold manage people and links.
Manage people and links. I will discuss it now. Manage people and links means you can limit how many people access the link. You can restrict the link, the file link.
Add to manage people and links.
So then next,
Add to start.
add to start. If you want to, if you think this file is very important, you can add a star.
Make available offline.
Make available offline.
Copy link.
Copy link, it's easy.
Make a copy.
Make a copy.
Send a copy.
Make a copy and send a copy is same. I think make a copy means the file is copied and it will be there in your cloud storage, I mean drive storage.
Open with.
Open with.
Download.
Download, you can download this file also. The file will be downloaded in your download folder of your phone.
Rename.
Rename, you can rename the file. I'm not showing you details.
Add
You can try.
shortcut to drive.
Okay. Add shortcut to drive. This means you can add the shortcut for this particular file in your home screen.
Move.
Move.
Details and activity.
Details and activities, which means
Add to
properties.
home screen.
Add to home screen.
Remove.
Remove, you can delete this file.
Report abuse.
Report abuse. Okay.
Add to start. Manage people and links.
So I'm clicking on manage people or links.
Drive.
Let me tell you what is
Who
this.
has access? Dismiss. Button.
Who
Out
has
of list.
access? Dismiss
Who
button.
has access? Share button.
Share button.
Accessible computing YouTube. Link settings. Out of
Link
list.
settings.
Copy link. Button.
Copy link, I can copy link.
Anyone with the link. Anyone on the internet with the link can view and list.
Okay.
Change.
Change.
Anyone with the link. Anyone on the
Okay, so
internet
if I
with the
want to
link can
change
view.
the link or if I want to restrict the link, so then I need to click on change button.
Change. Dismiss. Button. Link settings.
After that,
Copy. Anyone with the link. Viewer.
viewer.
Anyone with the
Okay.
link. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. Viewer.
Viewer. Okay, I am
Anyone
just
with-
clicking on
Dismiss.
Anyone on
Link.
the link?
Copy link. Restricted.
restricted, which means the link is restricted. If I select any email ID, only the account with that email ID which I have mentioned here can be open the file. I can add one or more files, more recipients.
Selected anyone with the link.
And anyone with the link means the link is public. Okay. So,
Restricted.
if I restricted this link,
Who has
I'm
access?
restricting.
Dismiss.
Okay.
Who has access? Accessible. Links. Copy link. Restricted. Change.
If I click on change, let's see, there
Dismiss.
are another
Link.
options.
Dismiss. Link set. Copy link. Restricted.
Just a minute.
Copy. Restricted. Only people added can open and list. Dismiss. Link setting. Copy. Selected. Anyone with the link. Selected. Restricted.
Okay. Okay, so anyone with the link can open. If I selected the restricted, then I have no other options. But if I select on
Anyone
select
with the link. Dismiss.
anyone with the
Button.
link, then
Out of
I
list.
have another
Permission
2 to
updated.
3 options.
Link settings.
Just wait.
Copy.
Let me
Anyone. Viewer.
show you.
Viewer.
Yes, viewer. So let me click on this.
Drive. Selected.
There are
Viewer
2
and
to
list.
3
Three
options.
items.
Viewer means the viewers are only able to see the files. They don't have the permission to edit or to add comments in the
Commenter.
file. Commenter only can comment.
Editor.
Editor can edit the file, delete the file, re-upload the file, whatever, rename the
Selected.
file,
Viewer.
whatever he or she can do.
Who has access?
Okay.
Viewer and list.
Now after that,
Anyone with the link. Anyone on the internet. Copy
if I
link. Out. Anyone.
restricted, just mean
Links.
restrict the
Copy.
link.
Restricted. Who has access? Share. Accessible computing YouTube team. Info.access. Link settings. Out of.
Link
Copy
settings.
link.
Copy
But
link.
restricted. Change.
Restricted.
Dismiss. Button. Out of. Who has access? Share button.
Okay, so if I click on share button,
Add people or
let me-
groups. Edit box.
Okay.
Showing English
Here
NGQWERT.
you have to add
Not
the-
check. Editing. Add people or groups. Edit
yes,
box.
you have to add the people or groups. If you are using any Google groups, you can directly add the Google groups, or you can enter the email ID of the peoples with whom you want to share this file. Similarly, you can do all the things with folders. I'm not showing you,
Not
just
editing.
I'm not showing
Add
you in
collect
details
more options. Edit. Not shared.
because I don't
Keyboard.
want, I don't
Who-
think to
dismiss.
do or
Who has
don't think
access?
to
Share button.
need to share, because it's very easy. You have to try on yourself. Okay, so now come back to the main
Drive.
uh,
Serial key. More actions. Serial key. Gold. View. Sort by name.
okay, so now let me discuss with
More options.
create.
Out of grid. Search. Software key gen.
In every window you will
Contact.
get the create button. By this option, you will get
Select
lots of
cursor
options.
more create button out of print.
So I'm click on create button. Let's
Create
see what
new
are the options.
folder row 1. Create folder row 1.
First, you
column
can create
1,
folder.
grid,
You can
2
easily
rows,
create the
3
folders.
columns.
Okay, just give the folder name and click on OK button.
Upload column
Upload, you can choose any files from your storage. You can upload your
2.
files.
Scan column 3.
Scan, you can scan any files whether the file contains viruses or not.
Google Docs row 2.
Google
column
Docs,
1.
you can create a new Google Docs.
Google Sheets
Google
column 2.
Sheets,
Google Slides
similarly
column
Google
3.
Sheets and slides available. Okay,
Google Scan
so you
row
can
1,
create a
column
new
3.
document or upload a new document by using create button. Okay.
Upload column 2.
Okay, so if you upload the files in My Drive folder, the files will be found in the My Drive folder. When you are uploading anything, suppose you have selected any file from your directory and then share it with your drive, you will get the option to choose the folder. If you choose the folder My Drive, the file will be visible in the My Drive folder. But if you want to choose any another folder, you have to double tap on My Drive, then choose the folder, then select the folder, then click on upload button or save button. I think you can understand. Still, if you have any doubts, you can let me know into the comment section. Okay, so after that,
Folder column 1.
if you still looking for any suggestions, any queries, you can join our Telegram group or Facebook group. Okay, the links are in the description below also. And if you get any updates, if you want to get latest updates, job updates, you can join our Telegram channel. Okay, so now
Computers tab. Create
after
button.
that, I
Site.
will show you
More app. Search and drop.
more navigation
Menu.
options.
Recent. Google Drive.
Google Drive,
Recent.
recent,
Offline.
offline.
Bin. Offline.
Offline means the items which are available offline you can see.
Bin.
Bin is if you delete any files, if you remove any files, the files will be moved to bin and will be automatically deleted after 30 days.
Backups.
Backups, if you have any backups like WhatsApp chat backup or any other backup, you can found.
Settings.
Settings,
Help and feed.
let me show
Drive.
you what are the
Navigate
options
up.
inside the
But
settings.
setting. Storage. Heading and list.
Storage.
428.7 MB of 15 GB used.
Okay, so approximately 500 MB I am using. I am currently using out of 15 GB.
Upgrade storage. Button.
Upgrade storage, here you can pay and you can upgrade the storage.
Auto backup for apps.
Auto
Heading.
backup for apps.
Backup and reset. Backup settings for your
Backup and
device.
reset of your device, you can easily backup.
Notifications. Heading.
Notifications,
Notification
settings.
Theme. Heading.
Theme settings,
Choose theme. Documents cat. Clear cache. Remove all cache documents.
clear cache.
Cache size. Cache
Okay.
size is set to 250 MB. Data usage. Heading.
Data usage settings.
Transfer file. Data use. Transfer files only over Wi-Fi. Uploading
Transfer
and updating
files.
of files will pause when Wi-Fi connection isn't available. Off. Switch.
So transfer files only over Wi-Fi. If you turn it on, you can only upload the files while you are in a Wi-Fi zone. So it's your choice totally. Okay, so this is the way you can use the Google Drive with your smartphone. I hope this small webinar, you can say it's a very small webinar, helps you to start your smartphone career, I mean smartphone usage with more friendly and more effectively. If you still have any questions, any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. Our official email ID, the links of our Facebook groups, Facebook page and Telegram channels, Telegram groups will be given in the description below. You can easily contact with us. So friends, see you in the next week with a new topic. Till then, stay safe, take care, and thanks for watching till the end. Bye bye.